Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how you can run Cloud Code in your local laptop, okay, using Olama. So this is Cloud setup. You can see hi Cloud. Okay, so here you can see I'm using DeepSeek V4 Pro Cloud Code model in Windows 11 PowerShell. So this is completely free, and I will guide you how you can get this done. So first of all, you need to install the Cloud Code CLI. Then second thing is you need to install Olama. Okay, Olama CLI. Once you install bot, then it would be good to go. Now let me take you through this Cloud Code. So in official documentation of the Cloud Code, you can go to the Cloud Code documents, and you can go to the section of native install recommended for Windows PowerShell. So here you can copy this command and try to download it through CLI. Okay, in PowerShell. So this is my PowerShell button. Okay, I open up the PowerShell. You can copy paste this Cloud Code CLI command and hit enter. So you will get it. All right. So second thing is you need to install Olama. So just Google it Olama, and you will find this olama.com, and it is a fantastic tool, a fantastic you can say CLI tool that you can use and you can leverage for using any cloud model which are hosted on Olama free of cost through API. Okay, so I'm using Windows 11, so I will copy this. I will go to uh, download section, document. So quick start. Yeah, so I think this is showing the documentation. I will type Olama download. Okay, so once you see this first link, Olama download for Windows, just go to this link. So you will see here my system is Windows 11, so I will copy this and go to the PowerShell and paste it. That's it. Once you log in, once you download and install this Olama, so this will install in your in your Windows 11. Once you install it, okay, what you need to do, you need to type Olama list. Okay, so before that you need to log in. So okay, you need to type Olama login. Okay, so once you type it, it will ask you to log in. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to create an account in Olama. It is free of cost, so I have created my account. Okay, and likewise you can create your account and get it signing. So once your login has been confirmed and here it is showing like your account has been signing, then it is good to go. Now next thing is you need to type Olama list. Okay, so what it will do, it will show whatever the model it is installed in your local through Olama, it will show. So I've typed a Olama list, so you can see there are so many models. I have been using it quite a long time. So yeah, all models should be listed over here. Okay, don't worry, we will use a cloud model without downloading any model in your laptop system, so it will ultimately save the space in your system and make your system very smart and fast. So just go to the models and just click on this cloud filters. So here all models which are deployed on Olama cloud will be listed over there. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to just see what model you want to download. Okay, say for example I want a DeepSeek V4 Pro. So I will click on this model and I will see on this application. Okay, so in this application I can see a lot of ID agent supported applications are there. So I want to use a cloud code. So I will copy this command, Olama launch cloud a iPhone model DeepSeek V4 Pro. So this syntax is same. only this model will be different. Okay, be it cloud model or local model. So for a time being, I will copy this Claude code, and I will go to my PowerShell and simply paste it. Okay, so you will see the magic. Oh, that's a nice. So this is like a Claude code CLI application interface. So now you can use your Claude code API in your sorry, you can use your Claude code via Olama API. Okay, now only one drawback which is that blocker is for the advanced user, it is not for intermediate or beginners. Okay, so here you can see in usage section, here you can see that this session usage is mentioned over there. Okay, so there is a cap. One is session usage and second is the weekly usage. Okay, so right now it is showing blank, so because I have not used it. But if you are a high user of this API, sometime it may be throttling issues might come, but it is rare. Like if you exceed its free limit, then it will come. So let me just type something. uh, Create a diet plan for me. I need a healthy lifestyle at 32. Okay, so I have just typed prompt, and now you can see this is you behind the scene. It is using Cloud Code interface, skill set, and whatnot. Okay, so this will give you the precise feeling of Cloud Code in your Olama models. So this will make a distinct differentiation between your how you can use a free Olama model in your local machine. So now you can see within 26 seconds it has given me the list of the overview of healthy food lifestyle. I have only given a simple prompt: create a diet plan for me, I need a healthy lifestyle at age of 32. Okay, so it asked me a few questions and it has created a beautifully diet plan for me for a health loss, weight loss, sorry. So yeah, so this is like a fantastic ways to use the Cloud Code in your local machine. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.